Hello everyone, welcome to another Kick.on tutorial video. Today in this video I will show you how to change game category on Kick.com or game category on Kick.com. Basically, if you're streaming, for example, Grand Theft Auto, you want your category to be in that category, or if you're streaming something else, to be in that category, right? So what you want to do is you want to log in into your Kick.com. Once you log in, what you want to do is you want to go to stream title and category. So as you can see, now that you have saved all your streaming settings, and if everything is great for streaming, it's time to head over to Kick Creator Dashboard. So go there, and then here you can set up your stream title and category. Now your stream title is very important. Again, you can go here and add a stream title. In your category, you can put pretty much anything. You can try Grand Theft Auto, you can try gaming, you can try whatever you're doing. You can try and put it here. Obviously, if your language is in English, make sure it's in English. Also, if you're doing mature audiences only, make sure you enable these settings, because if your stream contains content that might be viewed as inappropriate for audiences under the age of 18, you need to click here. So that is also something very important. From there, you go to Creator Dashboard and edit stream info, and then press save. As you can see, if you do not set your stream title and category, your live stream will not start correctly, as you can see. So that's something that you need to go and change if you want to go and stream correctly. So that's pretty much how you'll be able to change game category on Kick.com. If you have any questions, or if you want to see more solutions for Kick.com problems, we have a bunch of tutorials on our channel. So definitely subscribe down below, and we'll see you in the next video.